Yan, entourage ng...
Okay, Mike Quesada Wedding 2024, December 1.
Sabi ko, ang ganda ng place. Parang gusto ko ikasal ulit. Sabi ni Mike, wag na, ang gastos. Okay, ngayon, may part na ano na dining. Kakain muna kami bago mag-wedding. Kaso nakabarong ako, patay. Yes! Nice!
Sige pa natin.
Mountains and the lake right behind us. Can't be seen, but I hope it comes out in the video. Really, really nice.
And Blessy Wedding. Ang ganda ng view, the best view ever. Hi, this is the JR Mariano Wedding. And we are the Gutierrez family. Baby is the flower girl. Can you show them your dress? So beautiful. And mommy and our Filipiniana. Hello. Hi, baby. Say hi. Hi. Come on. Members of the entourage daw, kailangan na maglagay ng flower basket. And what did you just tell me? You're not? You're not gonna do flowers pala. Oh.
Will you take a photo?